Whoever chose this light brown color flower, so this reading is for you. Let's see what is the future of this connection. Archangel Michael, Archangel Gabriel, Archangel Uriel, please give us some clarity, please give us some guidance. What is the future of this connection? 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 While I'm shuffling the cards, you please concentrate and think about your person. Okay, so energies will match. What is the outcome of this connection? What is the future of this connection? What is the future of this connection? Please, spirits, angels, okay, so the center card will be the outcome card. We will see later. What is the guidance for pile number 2? What is the guidance for pile number 2? What is the guidance for pile number 2? What is the guidance? Okay. So let's take the messages from your person, pile number 2. Let's take the messages from your person. Let's pull some more messages from your person. Okay, that's all. So we will see the outcome cards later. Strength, Leo. So I feel you both are soulmates. The Emperor, Aries. The Moon, Pisces. Then 7 of Swords. Okay. So here I can see all the major arcanas, and I feel little bit red flags in this connection. Okay, whoever chose the pile number 2, I can see major red flags in this connection. Okay, so you or your person are keeping the strength in this connection. You both are standing strong. Something really drastic happened in this connection, but you both are standing strong. You are standing on your power. I can see a lot of ego clashes. I can see a strong personality, the Emperor. So the Emperor means the king of the kings. So you are dealing with the person whoever is the masculine. The person is very strong but very egotistical. And I can see the age difference, very stubborn energy. This person is not at all revealing his feelings. Okay, so this person is kind of a controlling, narcissistic, and this person is not revealing his feeling. The Moon card means lot of secrets, deception, or mother issues. So this person is dealing with the mother issues. So mother might be affecting this connection. And I can see this person is also some kind of running away from this connection, and he's kind of a player energy I can feel. Okay, so this person is not genuinely offering his love towards you. Just kind of a player energy I can feel. Just stealing all your energy, all your positiveness, and this person is running away. So be careful with this person, whoever chose pile number 2. So lot of deception, secrets. Okay, so nothing is revealing. Okay, so you might be soulmates. You both are into each other's life to teach some lesson to each other. Lot of things you have to learn, lot of things the other person has to learn. You both are very strong people, and you both have the ego issues. You both are like independent. You both are very strong. You have you're like a stable personality, like you have settled in your life, maybe good job or a stable life, or I can't see any money here, but you are in a powerful position. Maybe your job is like that. Both are very strong here. Lot of ego issues. Nobody want to bend. Nobody want to compromise. This might be applicable for a committed relationship also. I can see the emperor. Emperor means this person is little narcissistic, controlling. Okay, so lot of major red flags in this connection. So you have to be really very careful. Then this person's energy is not very good energy. I can see 7 of swords, player kind, flirt, player. So he's not only playing with you, this person might be dealing with other people also. So you should be very careful. Then let's see the outcome card. Outcome card, I have 8 of Pentacles. Okay, so this person want to work on this relationship. 7 is very prominent for you. 7 and 7. Okay, so 7 might be prominent. This person might be like open up in 7 months, I guess. Yes, not so fast this person will come to you. This person is having good feelings towards you, but at the same time his nature is that he is not willing to change. Okay, this person is thinking about you, he's waiting for that, and he's waiting for the crop to come into hand. See, this person is observing you carefully. Okay, this person is keeping an eye on you, and he's having a very good intention, good feelings also. But be careful with the player energy. So you may be one of them, but you may be little bit precious, and this is the outcome. That means this person might change. Okay, and this person might be also materialistic. This person is looking for the money to come towards him, then this person might contact you. Maybe this person is having financial troubles, or maybe because of that he is not telling anything to you. Okay, this moon card means lot of secrets. Okay, so let's see the guidance card. So this is death. Okay, death means a transformation. So from player to a trustworthy person. Okay, this person will transform to a trustworthy person, but this is not so easy. You have to have lot of patience, you have to wait for long time. Then only this person will transform and come towards you. Death card is not a very bad card, but before getting into union with this person, you have to face a lot. You have to struggle a lot. You will have the transformation what you want in this connection. You will have the transformation. So this person again will come back to the emperor position, like a powerful and honest, genuine person. But the thing is, you have to wait, because there is, I can see a age gap also. So this person will take lot of time. This person is resisting to change. Okay, this person is saying, I am like this only, so you have to adjust with me, or you have to change yourself for me. But slowly this person will change because of death. Okay, there will be a transformation. The universe is saying, the advice is wait patiently, there will be transformation. Okay, then I can see you might be dealing with Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn and Scorpio. Okay, Pisces, all the major arcanas are there. The more major arcanas, the more prominent is the reading, the more red flags. Okay, so definitely there is some transformation going to happen in this connection, but you have to wait. This person will come towards you, but I can't see any marriage or something. But this person will come towards you. This person will come. He is waiting. He is checking on you. Maybe this person want to have long-term relationship with you, but it will take time. You have to wait. Okay, let's see his messages. I know I messed up everything, So this person, because of the ego or something, this person messed up everything. Now he's regretting. The distance have been killing me. So long distance relationship, maybe another city, different country, different state. So the distance have been killing me. I wonder if you are happy without me. This person is wondering if you are happy without this person. Okay, this still in the emperor position. I am ready to fight for you, real warrior. So this person is ready to fight for you. Long distance relationship. Already this person told twice that this distance is killing me, and this is a long distance relationship. I want to kiss you. Very nice, cute card. This person have romantic feelings for you. You are my best friend. Maybe you both are friends or colleagues, or you both may know each other very well. So he's telling that you are my best friend. Okay, friends, that's all I have for you today. If you like this reading, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to press the bell symbol. Until the next reading, bye.